this is Shrutika and welcome back to Times Foodie. Today I am at Pacific Mall NSP Pitampura to try another hot and happening spot in town. Right behind me it's Kinoko Pan Asian Restaurant and Bar. If you are from Delhi, then this place deserves your bucket list. In this video I am going to tell you why this place deserves your time, money and tummy. So let's go. I start with the veg bibimbap. So they gave me bibimbap, which is mostly non-veg ही होता है, but for me they prepared this vegetarian में. क्योंकि मैं सच्ची vegetarian हूँ, इसलिए they were like so sweet and so kind of them to prepare this. We can see carrots over here and a lot of capsicum and then tofu, mushroom. I don't like tofu, so I will skip that part. And also there is cabbage, a lot of cabbage. I love cabbage. So there's a technique to mix it very fast and very well. But spoon से मैं जितना कर सकती हूँ, I'm just doing it and let's see how it tastes. So अगर traditionally देखें तो जो bibimbap होता है उसके ऊपर omelette होता है, but for me मैं vegetarian हूँ, मैं omelette नहीं खा सकती हूँ. So they were like very kind enough to serve me a vegetarian bibimbap. इसके ऊपर omelette नहीं है, that's why थोड़ा dry taste कर रहा है, but it tastes amazing. Next, asparagus tempura sushi, fresh, crisp and beautifully rolled. If you are a sushi lover, then this is a must try. Then comes spicy laughing with jhol, exactly the kind of fiery punch you expect from authentic Asian dishes. Oh my god guys, I have to take a big bite for this one. Then butter chicken dim sums, a fusion that brings desi comfort to an Asian bite. And for a little crunch, the kimchi vegetable dim sums, tangy and spicy.
Hi, I am Mudit. I am Naman. So we started Kinoko in 2024 October. And the idea was very specific and it came out from different brands from South Delhi that we wanted to start a Pan-Asian brand in North Delhi which gives vibe of a premium restaurant. So here we are now, like it's gonna be 1 year and it's doing great.
Our vision is to open more outlets all over Delhi NCR. So that's the vision for now.
We are brothers. He's 5 years younger to me. So I think we met when he was born, so we wanted to do our own brand together. I think brothers make the best pair out of all. Kinoko is a very different kind of a name, so we found the name very interesting also because we can explain it to everybody who comes and asks what is Kinoko. So we specifically have that in menu also, that we have a lot of mushroom items which represents our brand and justifies the name Kinoko. At the end, we have to grow the brand, so it has to be different.
Now moving to drinks, from their special summer spread 2025 menu, I go for two. First up, the cherry yuzu sour cocktail and coconut hibiscus breeze mocktail. Refreshing, tropical and honestly, you can tell from my face, I love every sip of both the drinks. From presentation to taste, every bite and every sip is worth your time, money and tummy. I totally enjoyed my meal and drinks over here. So if you are also looking to visit Kinoko, then you are going to find this place on the 3rd floor of Pacific Mall, Pitampura in NSP. Here, hospitality goes beyond the plate and trust me, your experience over here is going to be memorable one. So if you are planning to visit here with your friends or family, then it's a perfect spot for chic yet cozy dining experience. So if you like this video, do like, share and comment which hot and happening place you want me to visit next time. See you in the next one. Till then, subscribe to Times Foodie.